Hello, boys and girls. I am not going to be here on Monday because my children are taking me for Father's Day out to Palm Springs. It's going to be really hot. Anyway, while you're here, you're going to be working on a couple of different projects. If the Wi-Fi system is down, I still need you to be reading, actively reading, and I'm going to go over that and explain that to you. I'm also going to tell you if you have Chromebooks and if the Wi-Fi system is working properly and you have your own devices, then you're going to be doing a couple different things. You're going to be making Google Slides on global warming, and you're going to be making Google Slides on your book reports, on the books that you've read. And then you're going to be doing voiceover using VoiceThread. You're going to be able to narrate your own Google Slides. And I'll go over that in a minute. Thank you. Okay, so let's look at the goals and objectives for this week. What are we doing? Well, we're learning to actively read. And what does that mean? Well, how are we going to do that? We're going to be taking notes. We're going to be contemplating what we read. That means think about it. Deep thinking. Discussing important parts of the reading and collaborating. Collaborating just means meeting with your classmates and talking about the book that you've read, some of the stories, what you found interesting, what you didn't find interesting, and you're going to then present that material that you learned to your classmates and others. And we'll talk about the different ways you can do that. And then why are we doing that? Because we're actively reading, because that's how good readers and book clubs and read groups, that's how they do it. We want you to become better readers and understand more complex text. And we talked about this in class. We're going to go over this now too. Remember, you're going to be doing like a story mountain with the story elements. The setting, the characters, the plot, that's the problem in the story. There's rising action, there's a climax at the top of the mountain. That's where the most exciting thing happens. And then hopefully there's a solution. And today we learned about a resolution. So on Monday you'll be doing that for your book report. The resolution, remember, is not just how the problem got solved, but how the character realizes that they're not going to find themselves in this situation again because they resolved to do something differently. And then, of course, the theme, and that's the lesson that you learned in the story. Okay, so in your Wonders book, that's this book right here, in your Wonders book, you're going to be reading page 384. Page 384 is on global warming. And when you get done with that, you're then going to be reading this story. This is The Friend Who Changed My Life. The Friend Who Changed My Life is on page 450. And after you get done reading that story, then you'll be able to go to your health book, your health and fitness book, and you'll be able to read a couple different sections. You'll be able to read about dealing with feelings, and that's appropriate because we've got a lot of students in the classroom that have lots of feelings. And that's going to start on page 288, and that's going to continue, and you're going to read about self-concept, how you feel. There's lots and lots of reading to do. So I'm just letting you know, if the Wi-Fi is not working, we still have lots of work to do. And Mr. Ortiz will also give you additional assignments that I've left for him in case the Wi-Fi is not working or in case we don't get the Chromebooks on time. So ladies and gentlemen, you now know what you're going to be doing, and I wish you lots of luck, and I will see you on Tuesday. Bye.